I'll be showing you the top multi-channel fulfillment Amazon apps for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we take a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we'll be taking a look at is called Amazon MCF by ByteStand. And it makes it easy to manage all your Shopify orders through Amazon multi-channel fulfillment, giving you things such as live shipping rates, inventory and price syncing, virtual bundles, and subscription orders shipped through Amazon. So you can customize rates, orders, and fulfillment options all within the app. And you're going to get live calculated rates at checkout, and it's going to provide dynamic shipping costs directly from Amazon. There's also marketplaces, so you can do Amazon fulfillment countries by choosing the countries or countries where your Shopify products will ship via Amazon. It also works with subscription orders, as well as subscription orders from providers like Recharge Bold and all other subscription services. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $25 a month with unlimited orders, and it goes up to $45 a month if you want features such as fixed shipping cost and live Amazon shipping rates. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars, with 400 plus 5-star reviews. And merchants appreciate this app for its seamless integration with Amazon, automating inventory syncing, and providing live shipping rates at checkout. It also supports Amazon's Buy with Prime, enhancing the e-commerce conversion process. Next up, we have an app called Amazon MCF by Webby. It also lets you automate order fulfillment globally with Amazon MCF, 3PL support, and multi-geolocation integration. It's going to make it easy to manage all of this with an overall dashboard, so you can simplify your order fulfillment for Shopify orders and improve your overall brand value, sales, repeat purchases, and customer lifetime value. It has features such as geographic location, hold orders, non-Amazon 3PL routing, and international shipping by non-Amazon 3PL services. You can also do bundle mapping and create bundles based on promotions. You're also going to get tracking notifications, and these are going to be sent to your Shopify customers, helping them understand where their products are. You can also do order and inventory management, and it's going to auto-import tracking of orders from Amazon FBA to Shopify. In terms of pricing, it starts at $19 a month for 50 orders per month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 300 plus 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says it's an awesome app, and they booked a meeting with support the same day, and this person led them through, and it was transparent, great information, and smooth and easy, as well as decent pricing. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where a sponsored profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to sync seamlessly and make it super easy for you to understand your store's performance. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with different ad platforms such as Meta, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, and with tons of different cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below too, and that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing page. You can also search for it on the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. The third app we'll take a look at is called Amazon MCF and Buy with Prime. So it's one app with two powerful e-commerce tools, letting you integrate both Amazon multi-channel fulfillment and Buy with Prime into your Shopify store and offering a shopping experience that millions of Prime members love. So it makes it really easy to integrate that Buy with Prime button. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and there's a pay-as-you-go pricing with no hidden fees or long-term contracts. Our last app here is called COPYWRITING MCF Connector, and again, it lets you automate fulfillment with Amazon MCF to ship your e-commerce orders effortlessly. It's going to auto-sync both the multi-channel fulfillment and Shopify inventory levels, so you're never going to oversell or undersell. You can link Shopify products with their MCF counterparts for streamlined inventory management. You can also do Shopify bundle products, and these can be virtually bundled with the MCF products in the app. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and you can sync 30 orders per month from Shopify to Amazon, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars right now with 3 5-star reviews. And this latest review says that this app was a game changer for their store, and it made it incredibly easy to integrate with Amazon's MCF, saving them time and ensuring that their orders are fulfilled efficiently. So this concludes the video here on the top Amazon multi-channel fulfillment apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.